Happy Guru Poornima to all. You know, there was a great saint, Sukadevji Maharaj, son of Bhagwan Veda Vyasa. Right from childhood, he had sufficient dispassion, and out of the dispassion, he asked his father that, tell me where from this world, what we are, and all kinds of things about everything around. Bhagwan Veda Vyas knew he being my son will not listen to me. So he said, I don't know. If you want to know, go to Janak Maharaj. He goes there. There he is tested by Janakji for 15 days. Kept him waiting. And then he was given all the comforts and indulgence. And yet he was rooted in dispassion. Thereafter, Janak Maharaj told him, whatever your father told you, that is the truth. So, Vedavyas being his father, he will never listen to, because we want a guru. And the same thing when it was told by Janak Maharaj, he agreed, he accepted. Now what is the meaning of guru therefore? If we are ready to learn, we are in tune with the guru, and learning and implementation is our responsibility. Therefore, those who are able to learn from their experiences, then everybody is our guru. Therefore, on Guru Poornima, we should be very clear to understand. Guru is not a person outside somewhere. Everyone is our guru if we are ready to learn. Therefore, don't put the burden on the guru as somebody, but everybody is our guru if we are capable to learn and implement what we have learned. Learning without implementation is becoming a Babaji giving lectures to others. While talking, I am Brahman. And after the lecture, I am Brahma. No. Therefore, it is our responsibility to live our life in the dignity of a seeker and grow wise. Bhagwan Dattatreya told, I learned from my gurus. He never told which guru taught me what. He clearly told, I learned this thing from space, I learned this thing from the air. To such an extent, he said, I learned this thing from a prostitute. Therefore, more than who is teaching us, important is how can we learn and implement in our life. Then it is a Guru Poornima celebration. Or else we run from one place to another place in search of Guru, and we go for Guru shopping. You can find out everything on Google. You can never find out who are you. You have to discover. Therefore, friends, Guru is our inner ability to learn and change ourselves. Don't run after here and there. The ultimate message, fulfillment of desire is not spirituality. Getting freedom from the desires is the spirituality. Therefore, instead of going from pillar to post, from temple to guru, for fulfilling our desires is not spiritual life at all. We have to grow out of the desires and discover the truth. May you enjoy and celebrate life every moment. Happy Guru Poornima to all and one. Bye.